Why is community service important in today's society? In my opinion, community service is important because it plays a vital role in creating stronger and more cooperative communities. It is important to note that community service involves voluntary work intended to help people or improve the environment. For example, activities such as tutoring children, building houses, or cleaning public spaces are all considered valuable contributions. One reason why community service matters may be due to its positive impact on both individuals and society. Specifically, it gives people a chance to make a difference and care for others. I believe those who regularly do community service often develop a deeper sense of empathy and social responsibility. Furthermore, engaging in service activities helps people donate their time or money meaningfully. What's more, it benefits the volunteers as well. For instance, volunteering can lead to increased confidence, new skills, and stronger relationships. One effect of this is better mental health and a greater connection to the community. In addition, institutions like schools and companies often encourage community service, because one consequence is a more supportive and inclusive environment. Overall, community service is not just about helping others, it enriches the lives of everyone involved. To conclude, if more people volunteered their time, our communities would grow stronger, healthier, and more united.